All right, you guys, welcome to Angie Fitness TV. And today I am doing this beautiful review of the entry level bungee Kensone rebounder. Listen, USA people, you're going to get this at approximately $159 and Canadians 199 Canadian dollars. The price is going to change just a little bit, but that is your rough guideline. So let's talk about this. It comes in a box and it is 30% assembled. All right, so that means you will have to assemble the rest. What I like about Kensone is I'm going to give you the link, the Amazon link, and they have a video so you can assemble this Kensone. They say it takes approximately 10 minutes. Give yourself 30 minutes. But before you assemble this Kensone, please watch the assembly full setup tutorial. They do a fabulous job. I will link it in the description box below. So let's talk about it. You can buy this Kensone in 40 or 48 inch. I'm going to recommend the 48 inch because look at me, the bigger the bounce space, the better. All right, so this also comes with an adjustable handlebar, and I'm putting the picture right here of the adjustable handlebar. I personally did not put it on because I have no balance issues and I really don't need the stability bar, but you need to know that it is adjustable. All right, so this Kensone comes with 28 bungees. So they are 8 millimeters thick. So what that means is with the 28 bungees, there's going to be less sag in the mat and it is going to have a firm bounce. Now the 40-inch Kensone I think can hold 450 pounds and the 48-inch Kensone can hold up to 550 pounds. So what else do I want to tell you? It is a breathable mat right here, 28 bungees, 8 millimeters thick. There's not going to be, and this pad is 10 millimeters thick pad. I will put the specifications of this rebounder in a chart for you as well. And you need to know that due to the 28 bungees and the thickness of the bungees, it is going to be a firm rebounder. It is not going to be a soft bounce. It is not going to be a medium bounce. It will be a firm bounce. Now I'm going to get on and I'm going to show you and I'm going to bounce and hopefully, just so you guys know, I am 126 pounds. I am 5'5". I have low ceilings. A lot of people say off that topic, oh, can I rebound when I have really low ceilings? The answer is yes, because I have really low ceilings myself. It is about the press down into the mat. Now, let's talk about if you live in an apartment, you need it to be quiet. It is a very, very, very quiet mat. I hear a little squeaky squeak, not even squeaky squeak, just in the press down you can hear it very, very little, so it's very quiet. So I'm going to do some jacks. And you know, in rebounding, you guys have been teaching rebounding for 27 years. It's all about the press down into the mat. It is not about how high you get your feet off the mat. All right, so you can see some of my moves from the side, going down. There are so many things you can do on this rebounder. So for me, it is a very firm bounce. Now, if you're hitting the 250, 300, 350 weight range, this is going to be a great option for you because there's not a lot of sag in this rebounder. Remember, it's because it has 28 bungees, 8 millimeters thick, and it's not going to allow for a huge sag. Now let's talk about if you're lighter weight. If you are 180 pounds and below, why would you want this Kensone rebounder? Because you want a firm mat. So when you're doing fast-paced workouts, you love those fast-paced workouts, really quick, really fast, hit Tabata style workouts. You want a firm taut mat. And that's where a Kensone will come in nice and handy for you. You're going to notice I'm wearing tennis shoes because this is just such a firm mat for me that I need a good pair of support shoes. Now, those are things to consider. Now, last thing, it is straight legs right here. It is beautiful customer service. Anytime I had to reach out to Kensone, they get back to me immediately. If you buy it on their website, if you buy it off Amazon, they are super quick to respond. Absolutely love that. I'll just show you from behind. Here it is right here and from the side. So it's a very basic model. It's an entry level model. Um, I'm going to say it is great. Once again, if you're a lighter weight and you just want an entry level firm bounce, because every once in a while you want to do some cardio with Tabata hit, you want to do some workouts with choreography, and you just want a tight rebounder, that's for you. Also, I'll say if you are over 250 pounds, into the 450, 550 pound mark, obviously the bounce is not going to be, it will be firm, but it's not going to be as firm as it would me 126 pounds pressing down as it would be 450 pounds pressing down into that mat. So you have to understand that. This is not a lifelong rebounder. I think if you use it, it's going to give you a couple years. It's not going to give you an entire lifetime, but I do think it is a great entry level, entry point rebounder. Listen, companies don't sponsor me. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I don't make money from this review or anything I'm doing. My husband is the one that supports my Angie Fitness TV channel. And so that's what you need to know is these reviews I give you are very authentic and they're very real, because there are a lot of rebounders on Amazon that are pure junk and pure trash. And I won't even get on them. I will not even do a review. I just won't, because I get it myself and I'm like, junk, junk, and I'm not going to do it. So if this is not the rebounder for you, go in the description box below and you can reach out to me in the Facebook private Rebounding for Health and Fitness group. Private message me and you can reach out to me. We have like 75,000 members in this private Rebounding for Health and Fitness group. Or I will also link my email and you can reach out to me that way. I'm going to link the USA and the Canadian Amazon links to this, and I do have discount codes. So again, you have a lot to consider when you are deciding if this is the rebounder for you. But I really hope I helped you kind of think about it more. Do you want this one? Do you want to spend more money on a mid-grade rebounder or a high-end, which is going to be a lifetime rebounder? Or you may just want to try this out to see if you even like rebounding, keep it for a year or two, and then move on into that mid-grade, because there really is a difference in bounce. But I will say this is a great starter rebounder. My name is Angie, Angie Fitness TV. Subscribe, share, and follow. Let me know if this rebounder review helped you. I'm literally putting this out for you. 27 years rebounding experience, physical therapy background, group fitness, Pilates, yoga, you name it. I have done it for the last 27 years. So until next time, my friend, goodbye.